Welcome to another video from Global Academy Hub, Academic Excellence, Global Impact. So let's take a look at this system of simultaneous equations. This is taken from the past paper, CSEC Mathematics, January 2020, and this is paper 2. So what we want to do here is we want to take a look at the two equations that are given to us. And what we're going to do is we're going to refer to the first equation as equation 1 and the second as equation 2. And we're going to take our x value from equation 2 and substitute it into equation 1. So wherever I see x in equation 1, I'm going to put x is equal to 5 minus 3y. So where does that put me? So I have y squared plus 2y plus 11 is equal to x, but x is equal to 5 minus 3y. 5 minus 3y. So what we've done here is substitute equation 2 into equation 1. And if you look at equation 2 now, we have only one variable, and that's y. So let's simplify this. So I have y squared plus 2y. And I'm going to transpose this 3y on the right-hand side over to the left. So it's going to become positive. So it's going to be plus 3y plus 11. And then I'm going to transpose this 5, which is on the right-hand side, over to the left-hand side. So it's going to become minus 5. And this is equal to 0. So now I have y squared plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. And so I can have two solutions. And when I factor this, I'm going to have y plus 3, y plus 2 is equal to 0. So what that does now is it gives me y is equal to negative 3, y is equal to negative 2. How do I do that? Well, I have to equate both of those to 0. Y plus 3 is equal to 0 and solve. And then I have to y plus 2 is equal to 0 and solve. And when I do that, I get y is equal to minus 3 here. Y is equal to minus 2 here. Next, what I'm going to do now is substitute the y values into equation 2. So equation 2 says x is equal to 5 minus 3y. So x is equal to 5 minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. So x then is equal to 5 plus 9. So x is equal to 14. That's one solution. Again, equation 2 says x is equal to 5 minus 3y. So x is equal to 5 minus 3 multiplied by minus 2. So x is equal to 5 plus 6. And so x is equal to 11. So our solution set, x is equal to 14 or 11. Y is equal to minus 3 or minus 2. That's my solution set.